so you can go back and you can listen to it. Would you like a paper?
Sure.
Okay. Let's do backwards box on this one. Of course, very first thing I should look for is their greatest common factor. Do they all have something in common, yes or no? No. All right. Because the backwards box will not work if you do not, or if you have a GCF. If there is a GCF, you have to deal with it first before you do backwards box. All right, a cubed, your first term here, last term here. The other two terms can go wherever you like them to go on these two remaining spaces. Backwards box is just GCF, not once, not twice, but 4 times. Greatest common factor of this row right here, A. And it's positive because the A is positive. Greatest common factor of this row, 4, but because he's negative, negative 4. Greatest common factor of this group, A squared. And then greatest common factor of this group, 3. And again, it's positive because he's positive. So the sign of these outside numbers should match the sign of the box that they're outside. So your final answer, A minus 4, A squared plus 3. Now, chances are somebody is curious to know, can I write A squared plus 3 times A minus 4? Yes. The order in which you write the two factors does not matter. All right, so let's do a grouping one. If we like grouping better, parentheses, and we group. I ignore this first group. GCF of this group, X. What's left? Again, I hear somebody saying something. The rest of you are just standing here staring or looking at it. Then I move it over. Again, because this is a plus sign right there, I'm going to factor out a positive number. So, 2. 2 what? 2y squared. In parentheses then, x plus 3y. And again, what should happen is these are the exact same. If these are not the exact same, something's not right. So x plus 3y is my greatest common factor. If I remove x plus 3y from each group, you get x plus 2y squared. Notice again, there's no plus or minus between the parentheses because factors are things that are being multiplied. All right. Options.